Hello students, so this is the question we are solving here. XYZ were in partnership sharing profits and losses in proportion of 3 to 1. On 1st April 2018, Y retires from the firm on the date their balance sheet was. This is the balance sheet. Liability side, trade creditors, bills payable, expenses owing, means we have to pay these expenses. And reserve fund is there 13,500, and these are the balances of the capital. And this is cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, then stock, factory premises, and machinery and loose tools. So total of this is balance sheet 70,500. Okay, now further it says that goodwill of the firm was valued 13,500 and adjustment in respect was to be made in continuing partner capital account without raising goodwill account. Expenses owing to the to be brought down to 3,750. Yani these expenses which were 4,500 earlier, and that has come down to 3,750. Okay. Then machinery and loose tools are valued 10% less. Factory premises are to be revalued 24,300. Ensure revaluation account, capital account, and balance sheet. So first of all, revaluation account we will make. Here, what are the items of revaluation account? So revaluation account here are, it says that goodwill, this will not be shown. That expenses owing to brought down to 3,750, means this is the expenses that we had to pay earlier 4,500. Now we have to pay 3,750. How much less we have to pay? We have to pay now this 750 less. Okay, this amount. So here, and second thing 750 less. Then second thing here, machinery loose tools 10% less. So this is the profit, means this is one time of gain to the firm, because now less amount is to be paid, so it should be paid on the debit side. Okay, then here expenses owing to this machinery and loose tool are to be valued 10% less, means this value 8,000 and 4,000 less. 10% less means 800 less machinery and 400 less loose tools. This is to be shown. This value is going down, so it should be shown on the debit side of the revaluation account. What is the entry? Entry is this revaluation account DR2 machinery and tools. Okay, and factory premises is to be revalued for 24,300. So premises was earlier 22,500. Now it has increased. So factory premises account DR. So it should be shown in the credit side of this revaluation account. So here this revaluation account is here. So machinery here first this expenses owing to brought down to 3,700. It is the benefit, it is the gain to the firm. So this will be shown here, that side. 4,500 to 3,750. 750 is the gain. Okay. Then comes the machinery loose tools valued 10% less. Machinery loose tools, this is the value going to, this is the loss. So 800 and 400, to machinery to loose tools 800 and 400 it is. Okay. Now the next, factory premises has to be revalued 24,000. Factory premises 22,000. Now it has increased. So how much increase? How much it has been increased? By 1800. If we take the difference of this, 22,000 was earlier, now it is 24,300 है ना. How much difference is there? Difference of 1,800. This is increased, so this is the gain, so it is shown here. Okay, no other item is there, so we'll total up. It comes 2,550, and if we take the balance है ना, it comes if we deduct out of this 2,550 this 1,200, then comes 1,350. If we divide this amount into three partners, this gain is transferred to capital account of XYZ and their profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio, that was 3:1. So 3:1, if it is divided, it comes 675, 450 and 225. Total is 1,350. Okay. Now we'll make this capital account. Capital account, first of all, these balance we will take 15,000, 15,000, 15,000. So we have taken it here. Okay, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000 by balance brought down. Then this amount which is shown here in the balance sheet liability side, this is the amount of profit that was not distributed earlier. So this amount will be distributed among partner before coming the partner, new partner, retiring of the partner, before retiring of the partner. So we have distributed this. So here reserve fund, this is distributed in their old profit sharing ratio 3:1. So this is distributed in 3:1, 6,750, 4,500 and 2,250. This is done. Okay, now comes the this revaluation account. Revaluation account, this is the gain. Gain is transfer 675, 450 in X capital, Y capital, S capital. That is 225. So this we have transferred is 675, 450 and 225. And now in this it says goodwill of the firm is valued 13,500. And adjustment in this respect was to be made in the containing partner capital account without raising goodwill account. We have not to open a goodwill account. So when we don't open the goodwill account, we just find the value that is to be given to the retiring partner. Here it will be given Y is retiring, so his share is 3:1, means 3:6, 3:5 and 1/6. 2/6. So we will calculate 2/6 of this 13,500, and if we calculate it, it comes 4,500. This is the value of the goodwill that is to be given to Y, and this will be given in because now this is to be given by the partner in their gaining ratio. So here no new ratio is given, and this according to this old ratio they are sharing the profit. When Y retires, their new profit sharing ratio will be 3:1. So this will be whatever this amount 4,500 will be debited in X and Z capital account in 3:1 ratio, and when we debit this, it comes 3,375 X will pay and 1,125 Z is going to pay. Okay, so now Y is to be given this amount 4,500. if we add up this, and X will pay 3,375 and Z will pay 1,125, and total this amount 4,500 is getting. Okay, and here so it will be debited in both the partners. So 3,000 Y's capital, this 3,375 is debited to X capital account, Y to Y he is going to give, and Z capital account also 1,125 is debited because he is this gaining his share with the 1/6 part, and he 3/6 part. Okay, now we will take the balance of this, we will total up this thing. It comes 22,425 and if we add up the Y's capital, this credit side, it comes 24,450, and Z capital account credit side, it is 17,475. Now we take the balance here, you know. So if we deduct 3,375 out of this,
hello students,
the
how are
balance is
you?
19,050.
Today we are taking
this is the balance
one more
of
question.
X capital account. And
And
now come to the
we shall
Z
solve
capital
them.
account. It is 17,475.
I'm reading
Out
the
of this,
question
if
that
we
is on your
deduct
screen.
his amount which is debited to his account for goodwill.
Question number 66.
This is
It is
1125.
A, B, and C are the
final balance
partners
comes
sharing profits and
of his capital
the
account,
profit and losses
1603.
in the ratio of 3 to 1
Now this amount
respectively.
24,450
Their balance
is
sheet
to be
as
paid
at 31st March
to,
2018
this,
is as follows.
Y, and no debit amount
First
is
of all,
there.
liability side, we will
nothing is there. Debit.
study
so this
that
24,450
number one,
is to be
capital.
given to the retiring
A's capital
partner
is 60,000,
by
B's
opening a Y's
capital
loan
is
account
60,000
in our books.
again,
Now
and C's capital is 40,000. Total is 1,60,000.
Okay? This is done.
Then creditors
Okay, now the
30,000,
balance
bills
sheet.
payable
Balance sheet, we will take the balance
10,000.
of the
Total
capital
of the
account.
liability
Here
side
are
is
the
2 lakh.
capital account
will be
balances.
debited. On the asset side, land and
Balance
building
is,
50,000,
capital
plant
account
and machinery
is
40,000,
19,050.
fixtures
And
B is
Z capital
30,000,
is
stock
850,
20,000,
and
account
this
will be
amount
debited,
is to be paid
and
to
then debtors
valuation.
30,000,
which is this is the
bills
loan
receivable
account of Z
20,000, and
bill of
bank
exchange of
10,000,
which was
and total of asset side is also
banker
2
was
lakh.
dishonored.
Then
And now
31st March
come to the old balance sheet.
no entry has been passed
His
for that.
cash was cash
Admitted as a new partner on 1st April
now
2018
bank will be
for an
credited
credited and debtor
to pay
50,000
will
is
be
debited. So
is
here
transferred to
debtors
his,
account debit to
loan account.
following are the adjustments
bank.
required on these
Account
admission.
is
This
the
entry will take
balance
place. Out of the
of
creditors
creditors,
will a sum of 10,000 is
and
due to
bank
the
account will be decreased with
which
that.
will be
Cash at
transferred
bank
to his
comes,
capital
then a
account.
provision
of
Here we can see
doubtful
here we
debts
see that cash at bank is 7,500.
is to be created
That also is not
5%. So
affected.
5% we will
This,
out of the creditors a
and
sum of
this
10,000.
is
Make the
based
arrangement.
on the debtors
He was a
for that.
creditor of the business.
what
The journal
and,
entry.
uh,
Business
this,
had to pay him.
No
now
changes there.
that
Provision
10,000
was
will
stock
go to
was
his
no
capital account.
change 12,000.
So what would be the journal entry
Then
for
comes
that?
factory
Revaluation
premises.
account.
If
And
the X value has
editors
increased,
of revaluation account 2,100 is paid by A. This A's account will be
B's
credited and
capital
revaluation account will
Clearly
be
see factory premises are to be revalued.
debited here.
24,300.
And advertisement
Okay, this is
expense
there.
of 1,200 are to
prepare
be
necessary
carried
ledger
forward.
account and balance sheet
of
of
next
next
accounting
accounting
period
period.
as
So,
prepaid
we can
expenses. Let
This
us solve the question.
tools are
Advertisement
valued 10%
expenses of
less.
1,200 is
10%
not
less,
related to this year.
8,000
As a
minus
result,
800.
profit should
That is
increase with that.
7,200
So
machinery.
revaluation, we will
And
this
here loose tools when we see
with that what will what would be the journal
rupees,
entry? We will
and
put it in
10%,
revaluation account.
400 if we deduct out of this 4,000
So
comes
prepaid,
3,600.
This advertisement
so this way this
expenses
asset, this account we
debit
have made.
to
The asset side we have made. And
revaluation
total is
account we'll put.
71,100. Now come to the liability side. Liability side. two
expenses
things we have
debited to
already done.
P&L account
Capital
include a
and
sum of 2,000
the
paid
amount
for
of
B's
loan
personal expense.
that is to be given to the amount that is to be given to this Y retiring partner. Okay, that we have already discussed here. This is there. We will open this thing and then we'll do. Okay, so capital we have already taken from this capital account here, and a balance of 19,050 and 16,350, and this is loan. And now come to the creditors, trade creditors. 3,000 were there, here also in this also 3,000. Bills payable 4,500, this is the same amount we have taken. Expenses owing, earlier it was 4,500, but here in the adjustment here it is told that expenses owing to brought down to 3,750. So we have taken it here 3,750. Okay, and then reserve fund is there. Reserve fund we have already distributed in partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio, and this capital, this already been taken. Now if we total up this thing, this comes 71,100, and this is also 71,100. So this way this question will be solved. Okay, this is there. This is revaluation account, this is partners capital account, and this is the balance sheet of balance sheet after retirement of Y. We can say after retirement of Y. Okay, thank you.